Hey my peoples, nice to see you. I know it's been a while. It's been a good 4 months. And first off, I'm gonna be doing this look on camera for you, but let's see what I've been up to for the last 4 months. First I've been cheering, dancing, writing checks because I'm broke. It's college. I ain't got the money. College is draining my bank account like there's no tomorrow. And I've been TikToking. Millie Rocket. I don't even know what a Millie Rocket is, honestly. I got like 3 TikToks, but you can follow me at FacebyTrevy. I forgot to say, I've been partying. So, let's get into this video of how I got this beautiful pink and gold look and what I've been up to for the last few months. First, I'm going to start with the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with this pink shade called Lucid Dreams. So, what have I been up to? A mess. So, my semester started off pretty good. Started straight out with cheer. I'm going to take this straight into the crease. Started out with cheer. Did pretty... It's like started like straight out the gate like week 2. And then we had lift 3 times a week and practice 3 times a week. And we still have that, but like I never really put effort into doing lift because I just don't like weights. I like stretching. I love stretching. I love a good split, but and I love abs and legs. But like I just don't like weights. But like I put a lot of effort into it this semester actually, and so that started straight out the gate. Classes was good until a certain point. I dropped one class. Well, I dropped a few classes, but I ended up with 3. But I dropped one of them because the professor was just. You ever have one of those professors that think everybody know what's going on and everybody don't, and then when you don't, they just keep going like hello, you're here to teach me, right? But yeah, I ended up just dropping that class because literally I took an exam. It was like our first exam. First off, I didn't know what was gonna be on it, and then second, I looked at those questions, was like, I don't know any of these answers. Like, I don't know not one of these answers. So I started putting stuff like McDonald's, who created the aperture, his name was Mira Silas. Like, I started just putting random stuff because I truly did not know those answers. And then I went to the provost, who's like the head of the teachers, basically. And I dropped that class like right there. Luckily, it was the last day of drop. But I dropped that class right there. Because I was not having a good time and he was not helping me. But straight from there, you know, it was like Thanksgiving break. Thanksgiving break was fun. I ate food. I worked. Like, it was short. It was really short. But it was like right the week right before midterms, and that week let's say I was having like some chest pains, and I ended up going home for break, of course, and I was gonna wait like 2 more days to go back to school and then go to the campus doctor because I was having like such bad chest pains and like the cough. There was a cough. It was really bad. But I ended up going to the emergency the day before I was supposed to go back to campus. Turns out I had pneumonia. Yeah, my mom knew the doctor pretty well because my mom's a nurse, so she's worked with him before. And he just happened to be my doctor. He like secretly told her like if I waited any longer, I wouldn't be here anymore. And I was like, it's a good thing I went to the emergency room even though they made me sit for like 6 hours. It was awful, actually. And then I was in the hospital for like a week and a half, missed all my midterms, got right back to school, and had to make up all these midterms and stuff, meeting after meeting. I had like no time because I was either in the meeting, I was in a meeting about making a final, or I was in a midterm, or I was in doing a midterm. And that was fun trying to make all that up and get things coordinated as well, as I'm going to Brazil in May. So I had to like work on my application during that stuff. It was a lot. But I worked on my resume quite a bit, and it's really good now. I applied for a few internships, and I really hope I get one because I need a job out of college for one, and then two because I'm just ready to start working in my field. Honestly, I'm sick of like these same like old like restaurant or retail jobs. Like, they were fun for a while because like I love retail and I wanted to be a server, but I don't know about that. But it never came to be. So I'm also taking this on the other corner. This at the Essentials palette from Voss. Oh, such a beautiful palette. Oh my god. But I'm gonna take the, what am I gonna take? This gold color right here. It looks kind of yellow. It is kind of yellow, but it's straight up called gold. But I'm gonna take that on the lid, just where we left that empty spot. And I do have a hooded lid, so I'm gonna take it a little bit higher. I might wet it. Oh yes, yes, I might wet this. So I'm gonna just start by putting it down first, and I'm gonna wet it and go over the top to bring in some more shimmer. It's kind of dusty. But here's Christmas break. Yes, I know I have not posted in like 4 months because like college is hard. Like I really don't be having time between like stuff with my fraternity, with like cheer, and then with dance, and then just like homework and stuff. Like I don't be having time. This year I did pretty good. I studied literally 11 to 14 hours a week, which is a lot for me because I've never studied in the past. I really had to. I just kind of passed. But college is a different story. and but my GPA did not come out like I wanted it to, honestly. At the end, why I don't know, because I feel like I put so much work into it and kind of frustrates me. But you know, gotta move on life. And then so it's winter break. I need to wet this. It's so dusty. It's a really pretty palette, but it's so dusty. It's my first time using it. But it's winter break. Literally, I moved out on a Friday after my last exam. And then my cough started Saturday. Because I saw my brother in the hallway while I was like locking my door to leave. Like my fraternity brother. And like he was like, I got influenza B. I was like, what's that? And I searched it, like it could cause the flu and stuff. And I was like, I got so sick. Like it was awful. I was literally in the bed like I was so sick. I kind of gave it to my mom. Oops. But it was absolutely worse. Like it was so bad that I didn't know what was worse, pneumonia or like the flu. Well, it wasn't the flu, but because I went to urgent care after like a week of dying and taking off of work, and they said I tested negative for the flu, but it could be something that has something similar that has the same symptoms as the flu, because I had just about all of them, and I was sitting there dying for a week. My mom still kind of has a cough, but then I returned to work, and work's just work. Like, I'm ready to go back to school, kind of, because, like, I'm ready to have fun again. I kind of hate being home. Like, I need money because this Brazil trip. Yes, I'm going to Brazil. I can't wait. It's for one of my dance courses, because in my school, you have to take, like, 2 spring term courses in May to graduate. This is so dusty. Like, you can't see it, but it's so dusty. To graduate, and one typically is abroad, like it doesn't have to be, but typically, and this one goes with my dance major, and it's to Brazil. I'm so happy. I can't wait. I just hope I get an internship. This is so, oh my god, it's so dusty. I can't do it. I just hope I get an internship, honestly, from all the ones I just applied for. I asked my business professor. She helped me really good with for finding my resume. So let's hope that came for some. You see that gold? Like it's flaking everywhere. Hopefully I got me somewhere. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because this is driving me insane. Like, So I did my base off camera. I'm gonna go in with this blush here to finish off I'm gonna finish off the face and then go back to the eyes. But I'm gonna go with this blush here. I don't know what the name of it is. It's from Ofra. Oh, those are eyeshadows. I know. But it's really pretty. It's just a really subtle tone. That's my hair. I'm gonna just go in with this on the cheeks. It's very, very pretty. You see this little bit of tone compared to that. It's very subtle, but it's very pretty. And I swear it's not because all this color's on the brush. It's like once this brush gets color from another blush, it kind of just stays in it. Like it doesn't transfer, but like it just kind of just stays there. So I'm just putting this on the cheeks. Yes. I know it looks like a lot. It probably is. It's not. It's just such a subtle blush, but it's really pretty. So next I'm going to highlight. I'm taking Bronzed Amber from Becca. I love this highlighter. It's just a nice go-to for a natural look for me. I really do miss posting on YouTube when I don't for a long time because, like, I truly don't be able to. Like, I don't be having the time, and when I do have the time, I'm just, like, sleep, or I forget that I have something to do, so it's just a really nice glow. Somehow, shockingly, I still get, like, quite a bit of views, though, on videos. Like, it's, like, maybe 3 here and, like, 1 over there, but they add up a lot, like, because I can still see my analytics. I still get quite a few views every week, shockingly, for me not to be posting. And when you don't post, YouTube doesn't show your videos for a while until you start posting consistently again, which sucks. But when you don't have the time, like, what can you do? So now I'm gonna go in with, let me look for a color. We're gonna go in back with the essentials from Voss. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna mix this orange and this cinnamon color. So that one's called terracotta, and this one, these are really simple, like, names. But I'm gonna mix those two on this flat brush here, and I'm gonna go in with that on the lower lash line. So more about my school year. Like, my fraternity has been going through some stuff, honestly. I need to, hold on. Yeah, my fraternity's been going through some stuff. So it's been, like, a lot with that. And I've just been wanting to party, honestly. And, I was, like, we took a fall pledge class for the first time in, like, years. And I was, like, the new member educator. And that was fun. Because I've been wanting to do that position for a while. I did not get reelected for next semester, but whatever. I got to do what I wanted to do. And it was fun. Next semester, I am not elected for anything because either I dropped it or just did not get elected for it. And which is really good for me because my schedule's a lot harder because I'm just about done with my dance major. I got like 1 or 2 classes left to take for that. But it's going to be like heavy with like all my business classes and my you know those classes that everyone gotta take, camera crowd, but like all those classes, yeah, I gotta take some of those, and that's gonna be fine. So it's gonna be a pretty difficult semester for me as well as I might pick up a job. So there's that. Go in over here a little bit more with this gold. So that's what I've been up to really. It's been a hectic semester. I'm literally always in a meeting or something or like busy, cheer, dance, like it's crazy. I've been working really hard on dance because I'm like a little bit over cheer, but like, so I've been working really hard on dance because I have an opportunity and I'm gonna go for it. Such a difference, like no lash versus lash, like it's such a huge difference. But I'm wearing the lash. What is this? It's Diva, but what is this? It's Diva by Pur Cosmetics. I use this like caramel brown liner from Appeal in the shade Desert Taupe on my waterline. I just like it because it's really natural. And then I use the that's not what it's called. Big Eagle Mascara by Tarte, top and bottom after I put on lashes. But now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this same highlighter we use on the cheek. It's just like a natural highlighter. It's not like one of those ones that like bam. Like I don't be wanting all that sometimes. So next I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to take this shade, this palette from Pure. It's the Soiree Diaries. I don't know if you can still buy this, but I just really want like a matte light shade for my inner corner. So I'm going to take that on this pencil brush. And I'm going to just tap that as my inner corner. Just want something natural. With a huge lash and peak eyeshadow on. I'm funny. Well, this is natural for me. You know, it's funny because my cheer coach always talks about natural makeup and then she always looks straight at me because my makeup is never natural because I can't do natural makeup. Like, I just can't. Like, I can't. It's a running trend. Especially with all the colors I have. Like, how can you just do that? Like, I don't. This is a natural palette, but I would find some way to make this not natural. So, like, let me go pick a lip color. I just put on this gloss from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the mother of pearl gloss in the shade Sirenita. Sirenita? I don't know. It's pink and it has gold reflex in it, but it's really pretty. And that's the look for today. That's what I've been up to for the past 4 months. Just a massive sickness, being broke, because college, busy, like, a mess. That's what I've been up to. But if you like this video and want to see more from me, hopefully there's some coming in the next 4 months with college. Subscribe down below and follow my social media. That's linked down below at FacebyTrevy in the description box. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.